Good morning, Mr. Stat Sensei, Mr. Spensei, and this is another problem on simulation. This is Cracker Jacks, and it says Cracker Jacks Candy claims that 2 out of every 5 boxes of their candy has a very cool superhero decoder ring. How many boxes would I need to purchase in order to get a superhero secret decoder ring? Run a 4 trial simulation. All right. In this particular case, there's a bunch of different ways to assign the numbers, and we could use either 1 digit or 2 digit numbers. And we're going to actually talk about doing this as a 2 digit. Okay. Now, it can be done as a 1 digit, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. All right. To do it as a 2 digit, I need to multiply by 20 because I want it to be out of 100. All right. So because 2 digit numbers are going to be like 0, 1, well, 0, 0, or 0, 1, 0, 2, dot, 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 99, and then 0, 0 represents a 100. So that's a 2 digit number. So if I multiply it by 20, I can do that. So how many boxes do I have to open to find a superhero decoder ring? All right. So success, finding the decoder ring. Component, opening Cracker Jack boxes. How many trials? Well, it says run 4. And in this case, we're working with percentages again. So if we're working with percentages, repeats are allowed because this is a percentage, because it says 2 out of every 5. So that's basically saying, hey, 2 out of 5 equals X over 100%. All right. And so when I do this, I'm going to go 200 over 5, and that gives me 40. So basically, 40% of my boxes have decoder rings. And because it's a percent, the repeats are allowed. Okay. So if I'm modeling this with 2 digit rings, I'm going to say, well, 40%. Well, remember my numbers are 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, dot, 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 99, and 0, 0. Well, 0, 1 to 40, because I need 40%, have decoder rings. Then 41 to 99 and 0, 0 do not have decoder rings. And in this case, there are no skips. So beginning from left to right, I would select 2 digit numbers until I find a superhero decoder ring. It says count the number of 2 digit numbers until I find a decoder ring. Run a 4 trial simulation and find the number of Cracker Jacks boxes needed to find a superhero decoder ring. And once again, we could do 1 digit. I've written some of that's been written out, but I'm not going to do it. So here we go. I get a 64. Well, that's my first number on a trial 1. Well, 64, that's a no decoder ring, so it's not a decoder ring. But then I get a 20, so this is a decoder ring, and that's trial 1. So I had to open 2 boxes. Here I had to open 2. On trial 2, 51, not a decoder ring because it's not a 0 to 40. 48, not a decoder ring. 67, not a decoder ring. 28 it is, so I had to open up 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So this is trial 2, and I had to open up 4 boxes. And remember, I really like to start trials on a new row wherever possible. The next one is, well, 99 is my first, not a box. 75, not a box. 62, not a box. 63, not a box. 60, not. 64, 51, 61, 79, 79, 48, 47, 80, 96, and then I get a 10. Because remember, I have to be between 0, 1, and 40. So this is my decoder box. So hey, I get my decoder ring here. And this is trial 3. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I had to open up 15 boxes this time. So 15 boxes. Then I go to the next one. It's like, okay, 71, not a decoder ring. That's in the not group. 32, that is a decoder ring. So in this case, I only had to open up 2 boxes. Well, 2 plus 4 plus 15 plus 2, when I add all those up, they add up to 23. 23 divided by 4 is 5.75. So based on the simulation above, in the long run, we would expect to have to open 5.75 Cracker Jack boxes in order to find a superhero decoder ring. Please remember, if it's in blue, it's what you had to write based on the simulation. The part in red comes straight off of the recipe card. Okay? All right, I hope that helped. And I'm going to look at the one digits. With one digit, we could have multiplied it by 5. And if we'd done that, our numbers would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But we need 40%. And remember, if we go 2 over 5 equals x over 10, that's 20 divided by 5, excuse me, that tells me I need 4. So this could be my 4 decoder rings. And then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0 are not decoder rings. And there's another one too. We could have done 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? And let's just put the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we know 2 out of 5, so there's 2. 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Skip, 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 skips. Those would be skips. So there's a bunch of different ways to do this, but I would have done this as either a 1-digit like this or a 2-digit like that. We ran it as a 2-digit. I hope that helped. I'd sure like to see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.